a neat psychological effect. I might have to try that the next time I'm running Superstock. Yeah, smoke him. He's got him. Corvette does not want to lose to a Ford pickup truck. You know what it's like when you're back on the farm and people say, what? You know, that Ford pickup truck beat your Corvette, Johnny? And the Ford is not lined up straight. There he turns it a little bit. That makes me feel better. Don't want to leave the starting line. You don't want to stage the vehicle. Check him out. Man, it's side by side. And Corvette, is he going to pull it out or is the truck got him? Corvette nips him in the bud. How about that for a drag race? 1307 to a 1315.